Okay. All right, so let's take a closer look. 15 minutes. Okay, so let's take a look on daily. We are bullish. Daily high is here, daily low is here. All right, we have this 4-hour key level, which is a daily resistance as well. Because if we go in our 4-hour time frame, we can see support, resistance, the resistance here. So this is a 4-hour key level. Going down the time frame, I received this information, let's call it information, that we might go with a sell because we have a liquidity up here. One hour, okay, we have some ranging, and price just broke out of this support level. What I would want to see, I think the best thing we could see was a deeper retest into this support right here, you know, and then taking a sell from here, sell stop order. The range looks beautiful, the range is gorgeous. Okay, let's see how this candle develops. Yo, man, what's up, man? I'm just chilling, man. Chilling and trading. Nah, man. I didn't forget, man. I mean, I don't have those much viewers, you know, to forget you. I just started this shit. Man, pinky promise. Let's do a pinky promise, man, on this shit. But I know, deep into my heart, I know that soon I'll have a lot. And deep into my heart, I know that you can be really profitable one day, man. I know, man. I know, man. You're very young too, man. I started this shit at 21 or 22, I don't remember. At 22 I started, yeah. Yeah, man, pinky promise. This is a pinky promise. If you say so, you say so, man. Alright, anyway. Let's see if you can give a trade here. Okay. Oh. You spotted a fair value gap. What do you mean a fair value gap? There is a fair value gap here, but it wasn't retested. Do you mean this one right here or which one? And on what time frame, brother? You spotted a fair value gap. And let me see if this is a great. Yeah, this can be a really great fair value gap. It's in the white zone. Yeah, it can be a great fair value gap. This one, yeah. Yeah, this one looks like a great. This can be a great rejection, but from where can reject the price? Let's take a closer look on the left side. 1 hour. It got retested on 1 hour time frame, but I don't know. 15-minute. Market is on a premium zone. Sorry, market is in a premium zone, so I think market comes down. Yeah, it might come down the price. Yeah, it might come down. That's for sure the premium zone, of course. Ah, that's right. That's right. Market can come down, but it depends. Price can reject from this fair value gap right here, because if this fair value gap, look, there are a bunch of orders right here. There are a bunch of orders from where the fair value gap can reject off and come back up, you know. It's not like a rule, but it can go down. It can go down. With some price action, we'll see. We're gonna see. Yo, man. Yo, man. Yo, man. How you doing? How you doing, Raul? That's great. That's great. Just chilling, man, and waiting for a great opportunity. Looking for a great opportunity. $15, looking great. Yeah. It was great. It was pretty great. I got a good trade yesterday. I really got a good trade yesterday. Not too much volume, sadly, in the last couple of weeks. I'm going to take a trade from here, I think. Yeah. Market looks way too great. Let's see if the sell stop order, if we'll take the sell stop order. Yo, man, the easiest way, learn how the candles are developing, man. If you learn how the candles are developing, it's the best way possible. Try to learn the candles, try to understand how the candles are moving. And yeah, that's it. Learn price action. Just be obsessed with price action, buddy. All right. right. The sell stop is still not taken, but let's see. Okay guys, so why this trade? It makes sense right now because we had this range, price made this ranging right here, then break out of this support, this candle retested, let's say retested. It's not like a proper retest. Why? Because I wanted to see a good retest. I want to see a deeper liquidity wick here on the support level. That was a really great retest. But anyway though, it's still kind of upper wick. It made that upper wick, tried to retest, and now when this candle is breaking the low of the previous candle, then it's a good sell stop. There is not enough power, sadly. I learned the market find some formula for trends. Great for you, man. Yo, 1 day profit. Did you fall asleep? I know you're from New York, man. You're trying the same trade? Or what? I thought you fall asleep, man. For you right now, I think. Oh my god, it's 3 in the morning for you, man. That's insane for you, man. Did you took the sell market, or you placed a sell stop order as well? It's pending. Okay, the same as mine. Okay. All right, let's go down. Okay, now it's the London Open in a few seconds. Alright, the dollar index is looking well at this point. The fact that I don't like right now, like the London candle open, is not looking as a strong candle. I expected more, I don't know how to say it. I expected a bigger move, a faster move. Because if you see right here, guys, we have this volume. Look at this volume here on this candle right here. It's a big volume. It's big volume and can show us that the next candle is going straight down. That's why what I expected. See, look how much volume this candle. It's little. It looks like a little candle. It looks like a doji candle, let's say. Yeah, man. I expected more volume on this London open candle. Way more volume. I expected this candle going straight down. That's what I don't like right now. That's the thing that I don't like right now. It's a break even. It's playing with the break even point. Alright, I'm going to do something. I'm going to take out some profits early. If the case candle will move, we'll have a great move in our favor. Man, it's way too cold here, man. Fuck this shit. Where the fuck is the... Oh. Alright, the dollar index is looking so good right now. So we had a point of control here, volume area low, high. See, there is not much power, man. I expected way more, way more. Candle now is going down pro. Oh, nice, nice. Let's take some profits around here, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. All right. To be sure, I took out some profits. Okay. Reduce the stop loss and took out some profits. Okay. Now I can move. It reached again that point. Now I can move it on break even, and it's a risk-free trade. Okay. Okay. Let's see. That it was. Sadly, I expected way more from this candle. Way more. Way more. Way more I expected from this move. Way more I expected from this candle. I took out some profits, alright, so my entry point was at 114 and I took out some profits at 112. I expected way more from this candle, way more. Look, and this is the exact reason I took some profits from here, because I saw it. Like I said, like 20 minutes ago, I think. I expected way more. 10 minutes ago, I expected way more from this candle. Looking at this volume tick right here, I expected this candle just going straight down with so much power. Now I don't care anymore. Alright, now let's see. PVG retested. Yeah, I expected way more from this candle. I'm waiting on 15 minutes. Let's see what can happen on 15 minutes. Look at this shit, man. And on 15 it's looking like that. No, it was the best option right there. Taking out profits really quick, seeing that the volume is not there. The volume was not there on the London Open volume, on the London Open candle, I mean, sorry. It was the best option right there to take profits really quick at 20 pips. It really was the best option. But on to the next one now. We have this support as well. There is not power. There is no enough power for breaking this support. If price will break this support, I might think to go with another sell. That's another thing I didn't like on this candle when was developing. Seeing this 15-minute support and the candle is like it's playing around. Going like this, again, down, again. It's doing something like this around this support right now. If I can see this candle closing around here, alright, then I will think, okay, I'm going with another sell from this point. The next candle I'm going like this, retesting, and then going down. Waiting for a break. For a good looking breakout, I mean. Let's see if you can get a breakout. If not, it is what it is. But I think we can get one. We can get a breakout from here. No? Nope. Look at this shit. No 5 minute, no wick candle, no range wick candle. And when a candle does not have a range wick, it means that it's hard for us to take a buy because we don't have a range to go forward with this move, you know. This one could be another good sell. It could be another great sell. Another great sell opportunity could give us if it was breaking this support. Okay. Let's take a look on 15 minutes. If I do something like this, what's our range right here? It's a range about 37 pips. It's great. It's great. Okay. Okay. Let me take a look on the dollar index, though. All right. What about liquidity, bro? Man, just in my opinion, just in my point of view, I really don't focus too much on this liquidity shit that's around on YouTube or whenever, you know, because for me, in my point of view, and how my mentor teach me years ago, it's a liquidity everywhere. Here it's a liquidity here. The market is full of liquidity. Every point you see, it's liquidity. So everywhere it's a liquidity. You know what I mean? So I don't pay too much attention. I know what's about, but I don't pay too much attention to this shit. It didn't help me. I tried to look for this, but it never helped me, you know? I just kept the things stupid simple as possible. That's the fact that helped me to be profitable. Just kept the things stupid simple. There was more volume in Asia than London. Yeah, man, I can tell. Look at this. Look at this shit, man. I can tell, man. Look at this shit, man. I can really tell. Oh my god, it looks like a dick. I drawn like a dick. But anyway, I can tell. Yeah, man, it's just not for me. This liquidity shit is it wasn't just for me, man. I just kept this thing super simple, and that's it. Because I always thought that once you understand how the candles are moving and how they develop, and you understand the story that is behind every candle, because it's not a stupid shit that everybody is saying that every candle has a story. It really has a story, because every candle is telling you something. If this candle has no bottom wick and this has a long range wick, it means something, or I don't know. There are hundreds of examples, you know. Price is just playing around here in this range, maybe. Okay, so what I see right now, yeah, the fact is that this candle, this daily candle, is kind of rejecting from this resistance right here, which is a 4-hour key level on if we go down on the 4-hour time frame. But if we see, this candle has a long upper wick rejecting from this 4-hour key level right now. Yeah, going on 4-hour, we can see price reached this 4-hour key level again. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay, price reached this 4-hour key level, and now it's forming like a resistance here. So price from here, it really can go down. But however however, this 30-minute candle, if it closes with some volume, it looks good for aggressive scalping buy. Even if it's approaching this 4-hour key level I just told you about. 15 minutes with a good candle closure. Right here we can go like this, retest, and then going up here, targeting the 4-hour key level. It's about 80 pips from this resistance level, so this is a crazy great move. One second, guys, let me bring a vitamin water. Fuck this shit. Oh my god, so bright. Pullback. Yeah. Some sort of. Ah, come on, man. Just move straight forward. I don't like this. Yeah, I expected the pullback, but this candle just formed and then goes straight up, man. Like crazy, man. Come on, man. Like, bro, really? Like, I expected this move. Yo, 1 day profit. I expected this kind of move, like crazy, going like crazy. On this right here, I expected just going straight down. Without a pullback, without nothing else. Okay, it's coming back. Enemy level, check, bro. Who's him? Who's this guy who told me to check? I don't understand, man. What you mean by enemy level check, bro? I don't get it, man. Ugly. Now the market environment might came back as we know him the last couple of weeks. A disgusting market structure. We might have again this disgusting market structure, man. But it's summertime too, so usually in summertime that this is happening. Disgusting market structure, man. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit, man. Man, just to make you guys take a closer look at this. Look on the dollar index on 30-minute. Look at this shit, man. Come on, man. But look at this shit. Look at this weak price action left behind. The market's left behind, man. Come on, man. Look at this shit. After a good breakout. Look at this. Look at this, man. Dollar remains elevated, and as US-Iran conflict lift energy prices, market talk. Man, fuck off. I'm so disappointed. I'm really disappointed because in this move I trusted this move so much. I expected at least moving like 80 pips, at least bare minimum. I expected 80 to 90 pips bare minimum this move. Because everything right here was in our favor in this move. Everything was right in our favor. Man, I don't understand this AC. It's either way too cold or it's either way too hot, man. I don't fucking get it right now. That's insane. So the price is making this move after ranging, broke out of this resistance, and now came back into the range, and now break the support, and now it's going straight down, man. That's insane. You're going to sleep at 4. I think so, but look at this shit, man. Look at this market structure. Price broke out of this resistance, and now it's going straight down. It broke the high of the previous candle. So take a look at this, man. It broke the previous high of the previous candle, and now it's going straight down. That's insane, man. That's fucking insane, man. Market structure is just going crazy right now. That market structure just got crazy right now in the market. Markets are just crazy right now. I don't get it. I really don't get it. In the last couple of weeks, I really don't get it. What the fuck is happening? Man, but you yesterday like slept at 3 or 4. Thanks to Trump, I swear, man. I swear, it's all about him right now. But yesterday, like, you slept at 3 or 4, and then you texted me 4 or 5 hours later. I was like, what the fuck, man? This guy is just sleeping 3-4 hours a night. Gold hits 2 weeks high, it's Fed outlook, Middle East conflict stay in focus. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, now I got it. Yeah. Yeah, that's, yeah. And 9 we have the New York session. How's the New York session looking in New York, man? How's the New York session looking there? Thanks to God. Also, you play volleyball. That's nice, man. I played it too, man, when I was like 8 to 10 years old, I think, something like that. Thank God, college is closed. All right, I took this sell from here. Four one one 0.7, 411 0.7, 110 0.7. Stop loss over this candle right here. If I'm getting stop out, it is what it is. But with some volume right now, we can go straight down. So I think we can go down. I think we can really go down with the price right now. I feel like I'm flexing nothing. That was funny though. Let's go with the price. Let's go. Man, I'm glad for you that you won the division champ. Also, you want to play like professional volley. You want to be, I mean, a professional volleyball man. Come on, fuck this shit, man. Fuck this shit, man. This shit is ugly, man. Fuck this bullshit, man. Fuck this shit, man. Look at this guy. Look at this candle, how it's developing, man. That shit is insane. On my broker, I still am the trade, but this is, look, I don't know if you can see something, but in my broker, I'm still in the trade. the stop loss didn't took. The price didn't took my stop loss, I mean, but still, look at this. No volume at all. Another day with zero volume, man. This shit is insane. Man, it's already there's already no volume, man. Another war will be crazy, man. So Price is playing around with this shit, man. He's playing around here. Look at this. It's going back up a little bit, then we'll back down a little bit, then again. Portugal. But they were out in the quarterfinals. Sadly. No, not in the quarter, I don't remember. Yeah, in the quarterfinals. Yeah, I might give back to the markets everything I made in the last trade. Still in. Now I'm out. The market is so trash. Why? Who you were supporting, man? Man, that final was insane, man. Come on. That final was like, come on, man. Come on, man. That didn't even existed in that final, I swear. Okay, so we gave back to the market what we made in the first trade. That's nice. That's nice. At least we are on the break even. At least I'm on break even today. Let's see if we can find a good entry. Hopefully. Your stop loss didn't hit? Mine hit. This market was so trash, man. The last 2 weeks. This is the worst period of time I could even think about starting to live streaming, man. I swear to God. In these markets to the live streams, that's so trash, man. My God, man. I feel like giving up live streaming this trash ass market this summer and then coming back on September, man. Okay, then let's take a closer look. 30 minutes. One hour looks great. I really trust you, man, that you're going to fall asleep. I trust you. Man, why so... What is this weather in the summer? Look at this. It took my stop loss for a fucking little bit, man. For 5 pips took out my stop loss. And now it can go down in my favor. Yo, man. Hopefully, I'm looking for a bullish engulfing candle. If I see a bullish engulfing candle, I can go back up, targeting this resistance level. If this candle is closing like this, nah, I'm out. I'm out for today. I'm closing the day on break even. I'm happy for closing the day on break even on this shitty markets, and that's it, man. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can find a good move. Okay, let me delete this shit. Okay. Okay. This is the last trade I'm trying for today. To see if I'm ending this day in profit or on break even. At least. To know either which one. Yeah, that's it. Okay. All right. Price don't have enough power to go up and take the high of this previous candle. Nah, this pending order is not good. Nah, I'm out of this. I think I'm out of this for today. Yeah, I'm out of this for today. Bad markets, bad environment. I really don't like what's happening and what I see. I really don't like this shit. I can deal with this shit. Stupid ass markets. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this. Let me see a little bit on 30 minutes. How is it looking? Bad. Stupid ass markets. Thank you guys for watching this. My Telegram in bio, where I post everything, market insights, everything, setups, everything is there. See you tomorrow on the live stream. Peace.